Once you have made your model, you're going to need to evaluate how good your model is at predicting new values. When you validate your model, you're looking at how good this model will be in other situations. If it is overfit to your training set, it's not going to be very useful in predicting new cases. A common error that happens is overfitting, which we have talked about in many of our presentations prior. Remember, it's going to be important to balance simplicity with your accuracy. Make sure that you're using measures that penalize the measure based on the number of predictor variables, like those we talked about earlier, such as RMSE, adjusted R-squared, and so forth. Sometimes, especially if you have a large data set, you can use a portion of your data to make your model and then run your model on the remaining portion to evaluate how good it is. So remember, that would be your testing and your training data sets. If you don't have enough data to break into a testing data set and a training data set, you can use what's called cross-validation. Cross-validation is useful for both model evaluation as well as your model selection.